101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back again to Smart Up Your Life, our English learning program. Grab your confidence in speaking English with me, Rifa Majid, and my friends from BPEC Makassar. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good.
What about you, Mr. Diaz?
As usually, great.
Great
Yeah,
every day.
every day.
Well, today is raining, and do you catch cold? Not really.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it's fine.
It's fine for me.
It's fine today rain,
Yeah.
me too.
and you enjoy the weather.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, today so happy to see you again, guys. To be here in our program, and during this program we will have a conversation about one topic. But before that, let me introduce my friends from BPEC Makassar for you smart listener, you who didn't know them before. So the first one, we have Mr. Fikri here.
Hello, Kak Rifa.
Hi. And the next one is
Hello,
Mr.
Miss
Diaz.
Rifa.
Hi. And we will have a new guest today, a
Yeah,
newcomer.
I think so. Fresh
Okay.
one.
So we will wait for her or he.
Her.
Her. Okay. Well, before I tell you the topic of our conversation tonight, please, Fikri or Mr. Diaz, because this is our collaboration between Smart FM Makassar and also BPEC. So please tell smart listener what BPEC is.
Okay, thank you. So BPC stands for Benteng Panyo English Club. BPC one of English communities in Makassar, and then BPC is the oldest one of them. So if you wanna study English for free, you may join us. We usually conduct our meeting in Benteng Rotterdam or for Rotterdam, but unfortunately because of COVID-19 we removed it to our secretariat in Jalan Jipang Raya. So if you wanna know deeper about our meeting place, you may follow our Instagram in BPEC Makassar. So if you want to improve your English skill for free, BPEC is the best choice for you. Thank
And
you.
also this program, Smart Up Your Life, is a good program for
Exactly.
you also to learn English, because we want to build up your confidence in
Exactly.
speaking English. So do not hesitate to join us
Yeah.
too. Do not
Yeah.
hesitate to join BPEC
Makassar.
weekly meeting
Yeah.
every week on Sunday.
Yeah, every Sunday at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay, well, and today also we want to tell you, before I tell you the topic, we are sometimes we mix both language, so you don't be afraid.
Hesitate.
Do not hesitate, and don't be afraid to join us. If you don't know how to spell some word in English, just say it in Bahasa.
Yeah.
And well, today, do you think, guys, this is COVID-19 has changed or had changed many things in our life, our lifestyle, and also the industry also changed because of this pandemic. So, well, in the next year, because we will welcome the new
New
year,
year.
20 and 21.
Yeah.
So there's a lot new things, and also a new job,
I think so.
a new job
Yeah, I
in
think
that
so.
year, in the next year. So if you are still deciding on a career path, researching the jobs that are currently in high demands is a great place to start. Just identifying the sectors with the highest opportunities, ensure you are investing your time in something worthwhile, and who knows, you may find your dream job. And now, tonight, our topic is get a dream job. That's our topic. So
Okay.
if you want to join us, smart listener, if you have a dream job to get, or dream job to find, just tell us. Well, we have a newcomer here. We have a new participant. So I want to Okay. Hi. What's your name?
My name is Adelia.
Adelia. Welcome on Smart Up Your Life. Welcome to Smart Up Your Life and enjoy the conversation. Adelia is the new member, right? On BPEC Makassar or the oldest one? Okay, wait. I can't hear your voice clearly and we'll check your microphone. But guys, check your microphone please. Okay, well,
Check. Check.
I will check it later. So, talking about this dream job, do you have a dream job, guys?
I think everyone has their own dream jobs, but to me, but maybe just differentiated by the amount of dreams itself. Some people have a lot of dreams, but some people just have like 1 2 3 dreams. But to me, I am the one who just have like 1 2 3 dreams. I'm not really ambitious one. So my dream, because I think if you want to be like, if you want to get our dream, we don't need to have a lot of dreams, but we just need to have 1 2 3, like we can focus on them to make to ease us to get our dream. That's
So,
all.
what's your dream job?
To me, I have two dreams. The first one is I want it to be an entertainer, but right now I prefer to be a teacher because right now I study in education terms. So I really want it to be a teacher because all of my friends are teachers to be as well, so that I am interested and then I am motivated by them to be a teacher because I think teachers is enjoyable and also beneficial jobs in the future.
So, being a teacher is your dream job
Yeah,
for
exactly.
your future.
Exactly.
So, a teacher with an entertainment career, maybe?
Yeah, exactly. That's one of my ways.
Okay, so we hope you can reach
Yeah.
your dream.
Yeah.
So, what about you, Mr. Diaz? What's your dream job?
Actually, I want to be social trainer.
Oh, social planner.
Yeah. I mean, combine between two words, two things, social and trainer.
Entrepreneur.
Yeah, entrepreneur, social entrepreneur. Because I very like when I can offering help to people's. At least I see the people's smile to me. I'm very happy.
Uh-huh.
I mean that the small things, but I need to make a more to help people's, and actually, yeah, automatically I need to be rich.
Yes, you have to be rich so you can help many people.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can help society.
Yeah, that's right. So by rich someday, I mean,
I mean,
I can empowering many peoples and they can get job
oh, so
from me.
making a new job fields maybe for the citizens,
Yeah.
for the society.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's the dream job from Mr. Diaz.
Yeah.
He wants to be a social planner
Yeah.
in the future. I mean, I
I
wish,
mean-
I hope you can reach your dream. So, next, I'm curious to know, what about you, Adelia? What's your dream job?
Yeah, about dream job.
Uh-huh.
Yes, this is the interesting. I have some dream job when I was still children. I want to be make some technology and technology system. I want to be a programmer in technology because now this is an now we in globalization now. We have a high technology, so I think my dream job to be a programmer I think is the best dream job I ever dreamed.
So your dream job and your dream right now to be a programmer.
Yes,
Oh, that's cool.
technology and computer.
So
I'm very excited about computer.
so this job is the highest opportunity. This is the most demand. This job is has a big demand and highest opportunities to find and also to get this job, but I think it's hard.
Yeah.
This is the hard one
Very
because
hard.
you have to, how to say, you must have
Yeah.
a skill on it,
Yes.
a deep skill on programming and know about how to use the technology as well.
Yeah, I'm still learning.
Yes.
Start from now.
So we hope you can reach your dream to a programmer, social planner, and also teacher with
Teacher.
an entertainment career.
I like her pronunciation. Don't be nervous.
Yes,
Actually, no, I'm very nervous.
it's okay. It's okay. Always there is a first time.
Yeah.
The first time.
Maybe this is a first time.
Okay, the first experiment.
Yeah.
I say yes. That's. So, what about you, smart listener? Do you have a dream job? So, just tell us about your dream job and what do you do right now to have your dream job in the future? Just tell us. You can text us on WhatsApp 0811461011 and also you can directly send your comments on our comment section on YouTube channel Smartfm Makassar. Welcome back again to Smart Up Your Life, and our topic tonight is get a new or a dream job. So my friends from BPEC Makassar has told you, right?
Yeah.
Has told you about their dream job. Like Fikri wants to be a teacher and also social planner. Mr. Diaz wants to be a social planner, and Adele wants to be a programmer in the future. So what about you, smart listener? Just tell us your story. You can send us your text on WhatsApp 0811461011 and also just write down your comment on comment section on our YouTube channel Smartfm Makassar. Well, to get or to reach our dream, I think we have to take a single step and do something, a little things, and every day to reach our dream. Because a dream job can also interpreted as life goals. So from our life goals, we can break down the goals to the to the single step or a small step that we can do every day. So now what do you do right now and what will you do to reach your dream as a programmer, Adele?
Wow.
Is it a tough question or hard question?
A very hard question.
So what do you do right now?
Right now, I'm still learning about how to be a programmer. I'm always searching how to inspire me, like Mark Zuckerberg or
Mark Zuckerberg?
yeah, Mark Zuckerberg. Yes, this is inspire me and about this technology like Facebook now. Still increasing year by year, so I want to make something technology, or I want to make something is very have a benefit for many people, like a Facebook, Instagram, and the founder of Alibaba Group. Yes, this is all also inspire me.
Startup.
Okay.
Jack Ma.
Yeah, I mean, you have to be create startup.
Yes.
Yeah.
But do you take some classes or course in technology, or are you joining some community to learn the technology as well?
Yeah, why I want to have a dream job to be a programmer, because I'm always watching movie about how to be a programmer.
Okay.
And my planning, I'm still senior. This year I'm graduate in vocational high school, and I want to continue my school if I hope the best is I want to come in some school of programmer,
Oh yes,
like
you
a
have
Telkom
to.
University. Yeah.
You have to take an education in
Yeah.
or in technological
Yes, in
department.
technology. Yes.
Department.
Yes.
Technology department.
Yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah. All about technology. I
All
like
about
it.
technology. Okay, so Mr. Diaz, what do you do right now to get your dream job? Or you have a job right now and you want to leave your job? You want to resign from your
I
office?
I think so. Actually, I have a job right now, but in abroad. Because the pandemic, I need to back
Uh-huh.
here, and I don't think so. I will back. I will back. I don't think so. So I have a new plan to. Okay, I will start to how to make me to feature to be a social trainer. Yeah. I need to be honest. Actually, I working in cruise ship. So I've traveling the
Around
world.
the world?
Yeah, around the world.
Wow.
That's why I
That's
can explain.
incredible.
That's why in some or previous meeting I can explain about many countries because I traveling in the world, around the world. But actually this is I think this is start for me to make a new old dream actually old dream. So this year is the a start for me to make it how to make it happen. But I think this is a big task for me, but I think I have opinion and I have a hope. I mean, I can make a dream someday. Yeah.
Yes. We wish that too. So, what about you, Mr. Fikri? What do you do right now to reach your dream and to get your dream job as a teacher?
Yeah. Okay, now I always study about material that I'll teach in the future because I actually study in English education, so I must master English materials, all of them. But we cannot deny that as a teacher, we don't just have to be like smart, but also we have to be creative how to transfer our knowledge in order that we can share the material that we know easily to the students itself. So right now I in my fifth semester I have micro teaching class, so there we can learn how to teach students well, so we will get feedback or comments about our ways in teaching. And also not only that, I also have like several several learning edition outside of my campus. Sometimes I learn from my seniors in BBC as well. I learn how to teach with them. We learn about micro teaching as well, and also I always see my friends, my teachers, how they teach us. So I will figure out how I will teach my students in the future, because I want my students later on learn not because I force them, but because they really like the subject itself by my ways. And also besides that, right now internet is very helpful for us. We can learn a lot of things from internet. So occasionally read and also watch on internet about how to teach people, how to teach students well and also enjoyable. That's all.
Okay. Well, so next we will give you smart listener the information about the highest or the high demand jobs in the next year, in 2021. That can be your dream job too. So don't go anywhere. We will be back after the break. So welcome back. This is the third session of Smart Up Your Life, Smart Listener, and we'll tell you the high demand job on 2021 that maybe one of them is your dream job too. So, Mr. Diaz or Fikri maybe or Adel wants to tell smart listener about what are the high demand jobs on the next year. Please.
Okay, high demands were in 2020.
In 2021.
Yeah, 2021. Sorry. This is 2021. 2021 too. I mean, the high demand job first time in what is the computer system every company need a computer system.
Mm-hmm.
And then in teaching, especially in teaching, now we really need teacher now to yes, because education now in 2021 is very important, and also in tourism system, like hotel or tourism destination now is very important.
So, next, Mr. Diaz.
Maybe I can adding. They are accountants, HR professional, human resource professional, operations manager, IT professionals, as the adults say, computer system, IT professionals,
Technology
and web
industries,
engineers.
yes.
Yeah, and web engineers. Yeah. So these are other high demand jobs for 2021 will be.
Okay. Mr. Fikri, do you have
I-
another
I think
information
both
maybe?
of them already mentioned many of them, but I think I've read before that the highest demand of jobs right now and then the next year is like salesperson. I just know about that.
Yes. This is also one of the highest demand jobs on the next year, 2021, digital marketing specialist. Digital marketing specialist, because companies had to transition into the digital field. And brick and mortar stores progress into e-commerce platform. And also the next one, yes, because we are in the digital era. So I think graphic designer and creative person is very needed in every companies.
Yeah.
Every companies need graphic designer. The graphic designer will be one of the more highly demanded job in 2021. So, data analysis, analyst,
Yeah.
data analyst. That's one of the high demand jobs, and also yes, the next one, the last one, I think, marketing strategies. Marketing strategies, because companies are looking to make a full comeback after the virus, after the pandemic, which is why marketing strategies will be one of the most in demand jobs in 2021.
These
So-
are very hard.
Yes. All these jobs are need how to say, the hard skill, a soft skill, that we must have a strong skill.
Everything is deep.
So, are you ready to compete to get this dream job? And smart listener, that's all the dream jobs that has high demand in 2021. But now there's a story about my friends Linda, who get her dream job as a public relation managers in her office. So we will hear her story. So this is her story.
Smart Up Your Life.
Linda bekerja sebagai seorang Public Relations Officer di sebuah hotel berbintang di Jakarta. Dia sudah bekerja di sana selama 3 tahun. Minggu lalu, bosnya memberitahukan kepada Linda bahwa dirinya dipromosikan sebagai Public Relations Manager. Linda merasa begitu bahagia, tetapi juga cemas. Karena untuk mendapatkan promosi jabatan tersebut, dia harus lulus beberapa tes dan salah satu tesnya adalah bahasa Inggris. Linda berpikir sangat keras, bagaimana caranya agar dia bisa belajar bahasa Inggris secara cepat dan efektif. Linda memutuskan untuk menelpon sahabatnya Brad yang bekerja di Jakarta sebagai guru bahasa Inggris. Linda mengabarkan kabar gembira tersebut dan juga meminta bantuan Brad untuk mengajarinya bahasa Inggris.
Hi, Linda.
Hello, Brad. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good, thank you.
What are you up to?
I'm having lunch now and I'm gonna teach soon. You sound very happy.
What's going on?
I've got some great news.
What?
I've been promoted to a public...
Relations manager.
Wow, congratulations.
I'm really happy for you.
Thank you, Brad.
But I've got a problem.
What's the problem?
For the promotion,
I have to pass some exams. I don't have any problems with the skill test or any test related to my work because I've been doing it for 3 years already. What I'm worried about is the English test. You know, that is my dream to be the public relations manager. What if I fail? I will be very sad, and you know my parents, they will be upset too. Having a very good positions in my career is very important to them. I'm really stressed.
what I'm supposed to do, Brad? I only have 1 week to study before the exam.
Whoa, calm down, Linda. Don't worry. I'll help you. Your English is very good already.
And you make a few common mistakes when you speak, that's all. We've got plenty of time to revise.
Yeah, you're right. I know that I make mistakes sometimes. Thank you, Brad. You are very kind to teach me.
But I know that you're very busy and I don't want to disturb you for this.
Not at all, Linda. I'm not very busy next week. I'll only teach half days.
So after that, we can learn English together.
Thank you very much, Brad. Your support means a lot to me.
Oh, please, don't mention it. That's what friends are for.
Anyway, I've got to go to the class now. We can start our lesson tomorrow afternoon at the cafe we like to go to.
Is that okay?
That would be perfect. Thanks, Brad. See you tomorrow afternoon.
Linda terlihat begitu bersemangat untuk belajar bahasa Inggris bersama Brad. Brad pun menyapa Linda yang baru sampai di kafe itu.
Oh, Linda, whoa, have a seat. It's good to see you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Brad?
I'm fine, thank you.
Thanks again for taking the time out to help me with my English.
I'm pleased to see you're more relaxed than when you phoned me. I'm glad to help you. What would you like to drink, Linda? Coke, water, or tea?
A cup of tea, please. Thank you.
Do you want anything else, Linda?
No, thank you. I'm fine for right now, but thanks for asking.
My pleasure. Right, are you ready to learn? We can start with some common mistakes. For example, I ever go to Bali.
Okay, I'm always getting confused with that. Please explain why it's wrong.
Sure. When using the word ever, you have to either be asking questions like, have you ever been to New York City? Or a negative statement like, no, I haven't ever been to New York City.
Ah, I understand now. Okay, so ever is not for a statement, but for asking questions or a negative statement.
Would you please give me some sentences for each point? Remember, learning English is about practicing.
Sure. I ever go to New York City.
Kalimat Anda salah. Ingat, ever bukan untuk mengungkapkan sesuatu, tetapi untuk menanyakan sesuatu atau menjelaskan sesuatu dengan kalimat negatif.
Okay. Have you ever been to Bali? Or no, I haven't ever been to Bali. Ah, easy. I understand now. Thank you.
Excellent. Let's move on to another common mistake. You need to be careful when asking questions about the past. Here's an example. Did you go to the movies last weekend?
No, I didn't went to the movies last week.
Ah, no. You see, the problem is that you're given a negative answer, so the verb has to be the same as the question. Like this. No, I didn't go to the movies. If your answer was positive, then you'd say, yes, I went to the movies. Does that make sense?
Okay, let me try. I go to a Thai restaurant last night to have dinner with my boyfriend. He really enjoyed it.
Bukan begitu. Ketika Anda ingin menggunakan kalimat past simple untuk mengungkapkan sesuatu yang sudah Anda lakukan, rubahlah dulu kata kerja pertama menjadi kata kerja kedua, terkecuali untuk kalimat negatif atau kalimat tanya. Ayo, ulangi lagi dengan kalimat yang benar.
I went to a Thai restaurant last night to have dinner with my boyfriend. Or, I didn't go to a Thai restaurant. Ah, this is easy.
Yo, it is once you know a few simple rules. Are you ready for the next challenge, huh?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Do you remember the lesson on adjectives? Common mistakes people usually make are when they put the adjective after the noun. It can also follow the verb be, as in, the girl is pretty. Can you try it?
The grass is green.
Awesome.
The boy is handsome.
Whoa. Try the other way.
Okay, the girl handsome?
No. Without the verb be. Only men can be handsome. Women are pretty or beautiful.
Okay, the boy handsome.
Oh, close. But in English, we put the adjective before the noun.
Oh yeah, I slip sometimes. The handsome boy.
Right. We all make mistakes. It's a part of learning. Just try to remember for the next time. I must say I'm impressed with you. Just keep studying and speaking in English, and you'll certainly pass this test.
Really?
Yes, I'm sure. You can do it, Linda. I'm absolutely positive you'll pass the English test easily. I think that's enough for today, though. We can practice again tomorrow afternoon.
Yes, I think it's enough for today. I'm quite hungry now. Would you like to order some food? Let me treat you, Brad. Please.
Oh, that'd be nice. Let's get a menu. There's a really nice Vietnamese sandwich that they make here. Have you tried it before?
That sounds delicious. No, I have ever tried before.
Anda salah lagi. Sudah lupa ya dengan apa yang baru saja Anda pelajari?
Sound delicious. No, I haven't tried before.
Oh, that's correct. Okay, shall we order now?
Yes, let's order some food. My stomach is making lots of noises. I'm starving. By the way, thank you so much for teaching me.
Oh, it's my pleasure, Linda. I wish you all the best, and I'm sure you can pass the exam. But you may have to come back tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. I think I will be buying you a lot of sandwiches.
Awesome. You got the plural correct for sandwiches. What's the plural of pizza?
Let me guess. Lots of pizza.
Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life. Smart listener, here's some tips to land your dream job in 2021. First, create your story. 2. Network. Now is the time to think about how you know. 3. Make a list of companies who you would like to work for. 4. Be clear in your goals. 5. Know your own skill. 6. Don't neglect your covering letter. 7. Research the company and your interviewers. Next, don't be shy about your weakness. And 9. Prepare for unexpected question. And finally, remain calm. Interview or high pressure situation. This is some tips to land your high job.
Yeah, thank you, Adele.
You're welcome.
That's all the tips from Adele.
Yes.
Adele, you are a singer. From Adele for you, smart listener, how to land or how to get your dream job.
Yeah.
The 8 point until the 10 points. I think that's are very necessary to and very important to. No, because yes, we have to know our weakness and don't be shy about that.
Yeah.
And also, when you face the interviewers, prepare for unexpected question.
Yeah, exactly.
Because interviewer will ask you something that you never expect before. And the last one, remain calm. When you face the interviewers, train yourself to be calm and answer all the question clearly.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Adele,
You're
for the
welcome.
tips. And next, as usual, in the last session of Smart Up Your Life, we always share the vocabularies and also idioms. And this your turn, Mr. Diaz.
Yeah. I have two idioms. They are off the hook. Off the hook means that free from blame or responsibility. Bebas dari tanggung jawab. Mungkin seperti freelancer, seperti itu.
How to spell in English?
Off the hook. OFFTHEHOOK.
Okay,
Off the hook.
off the hook maybe.
Yeah.
Off the hook. Okay.
And
The next,
next is pink slip. Pink
pink.
color, yeah, pink slip
Okay, pink slip.
means that loss of a job,
Oh,
kehilangan pekerjaan.
PHK, ya.
Ya mungkin.
Pink slip.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
yes, that's idea. Pink slip.
And the vocabulary like job vacancy, lowongan pekerjaan, interviewer, pewawancara, scientist, ilmuwan.
Okay.
I think that's all.
Thank you, Fikri.
Okay, I have 3 vocabularies and also 2 idioms. The first vocabulary is corporation. Corporation means perusahaan, and then the second one is inclination. Inclination means keinginan, and the last one, when we want to get succeed, we have to be persistent. Kegigihan.
Okay,
Persistence,
persistence, gigih, ya.
Yeah, kegigihan. And then the 2 idioms is learn the ropes. Learn the ropes mean that when we go to job and then that our first time, and then when we get familiar of those jobs, that's called learn the ropes, meaning that we are getting familiar with our jobs. And then
Okay.
the second one is when we get fired by our job, maybe we made a lot of mistakes or something like that, we can say get the sack. For example, I get the sack from my jobs. I get the sack from my company.
Oh, I
That's
get
all.
the sec.
Yeah.
This is the same as pink slip, maybe, yeah. The idioms is has the same meaning. Okay, pink slip and get
Get the sack.
get the sack. You get fired from your job.
Yeah.
You kehilangan job.
Yeah.
Or di PHK. Be familiar with that. Thank you so much, guys, for the vocabularies and also idioms. So, the last question for you. What do you want to tell or what do you want to say to smart listener as your closing statement in this conversation and about our topic tonight?
Okay, our topic tonight is actually very good for all of us because we have to have jobs in our life, because we cannot be survived if we don't have the jobs itself. We have to fulfill our needs and also our family needs. So if you think that you are inferior than other people, then you cannot achieve your dreams, you are very wrong, because many people are not good at something or everything, but they are very persistent. They are very disciplined. For example, we can see Jack Ma was very diligent to get his dreams, even though in the past he had a lot of mistakes and also failures, but he still continue to get his dreams. So don't be hesitant to get your dreams, because we can get our dreams not because we are lucky or we are rich, but we are persistent.
Don't be give up.
Yes.
Keep moving forward.
Yes, and make sure you get your dream jobs, and that is has a similarity to your passion. Adele?
Don't afraid to make your dream come true.
Yes, you have to reach your dream.
Yeah.
Dream and make it happen. As Agnes Mo said. Dream and make it happen. So thank you so much for joining us tonight. Thank you, Adele. Thank you, Mr. Diaz. And thank you for you, Fikri. And also, of course, for you smart listener who has joined us and hear our conversation about the dream job tonight. So we wish you have a great day, and we hope you can get benefits from this conversation. So we'll back again next week. Bye-bye.